Keep creeps like this out of your house. I'm going to show you in this episode of Mr. Fix-It the Realtor how to install a do-it-yourself, out-of-the-box security alarm system. I'm going to be installing the SimpliSafe system, so stay tuned. I'm going to be showing you how to install your own do-it-yourself alarm system. Right here I've got the SimpliSafe. I'm going to go over some of the features of this before I show you how we go ahead and install it in your home. In the first box we've got our keypad and then we've got the base. So we want to go ahead and determine where we're going to put these items. The keypad is wireless. It sticks on with some self-adhesive. The base we are going to have to plug in and leave that somewhere fairly central, but this will also act as the alarm making all the noise. Our second box is what includes all of our sensors. So we've got window sensors, we also have a motion sensor. This is a pretty standard kit right here, but you can do additional add-ons. You can put in additional window sensors, door sensors, motion sensors, things like a glass break, as needed for your home. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up the base, but you want to make sure you plug into an outlet that is not on a switch so that it remains on at all times. This will act as a siren and basically the central monitoring component of the system.
Welcome to SimpliSafe.
So now it's started up. Now I'm going to go ahead and install our keypad. I decided to put it over here. As such, the back here slides off. You can see it's got these pieces on here. Center this and just raise it up a little bit. And now it's on. Another thing to keep in mind is it comes off easily, partly because this does use batteries. You will need to replace your batteries every so often. Now this is starting up. Just remove the batteries. It's searching for the base station, which we've already plugged in. So now we're going to click menu to continue setup. It's going to ask you for a code to disarm the system. It'll be your master pin. We're just going to do 1478. Pin updated, okay? Now it's talking about installing your device. Follow the mounting instructions of the guide. Okay, so this is going to walk us through the entire process of installing our sensors, motion sensor, and anything else. The beauty of having this device easily mountable is we can walk around the house with this, so we can easily go from room to room and label everything. So now I'm going to go ahead and press another button on one of these. That's the button right there. I'm going to remove this. Entry sensor found. We're going to name this. Set. Entry sensor named. There's an adhesive on here. We'll pull that off. Make sure it's nice and snug on there. So we see a flash blue, it recognizes when the sensor and the magnet are not connected. We already got one named a bedroom. We're just going to do this under other. Okay. We're going to name this, we're going to go using the keypad. We're going to name this second bedroom. And hit set. The next device we're going to set up is our motion sensor. Motion sensor, there is a switch underneath the panel here which will let you adjust the sensitivity of the motion sensor. It's designed so it will go flat to the wall as well as to the sides here. So we're going to go ahead and place this in the corner. It is designed so that animals will not set this off, but rather people will. Which is important to know if you have cats or dogs. Nice and firmly affixed. You're all good. 2 additional items that come with the basic setup package. You also get a panic button and you get a key fob which works up to 200 feet away from the base station. This is also built into an app, so if you have a smartphone, you can arm and disarm your alarm system using that as well. With the panic key, you want to put this someplace that if there is not the ability to get to the alarm system, to hit panic on it, you can do so, say, from in your bedroom, somewhere discreet, someplace you don't want to hit this by accident because this will call the alarm system. I want to go over some of the additional features of the SimpliSafe system. There is 24/7 monitoring available. It is available for $14.99 a month. It's easy to set up. It took me less than an hour to do. Just the sensors here, very user-friendly, easy interface, and there's an app. So there are some cool features with the app. Hit on activate monitoring. Now I have to go ahead and enter the serial number from the base. Just got the standard plan. Likely you can upgrade it, but we're going to start the free 30-day contract. It'll ask for a credit card. And once you go ahead and do this, it'll be set up. It also gives you the option to set up your Wi-Fi as well as additional items such as a camera. You can do things like a doorbell and everything like that. So now it's activated. You see it's set to off. And now I can go ahead and select set up a doorbell, set up a camera, things like that. We can actually even review any events that have occurred. So if any alarms get triggered, they'll show up there. I'm just setting this to home for when you're in the house, which you could use when you're going to bed at night. Pretty easy app to use, very user-friendly. And lastly, the kit comes with a nice big sign you can place in your yard, letting everybody know you've got a security system, and additionally some window stickers and a few extra adhesive pieces in case you need to reuse them, and the other ones use stickiness. Thanks for watching this episode of Mr. Fix-It the Realtor. I hope you learned something new today about how to install your own alarm security system. And if you're looking for additional home tips or learning about homes in general, let me know. I'd be happy to chat further. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks.
And I was like, look, the police are here.
Oh my goodness, the police.